Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to activate and use writing intelligence tools. To use writing tools with Apple Intelligence, firstly find certain piece of text you would like to use Apple Intelligence writing tools on. As you can see, once the keyboard is on, we've got this icon here. Tap on it to activate writing tools. Right here, you can use multiple functions. You can find summary, key points of the text. You can prepare list and table. Also, you can concise, rewrite it to professional or friendly use. Next, you can describe your change and the Apple Intelligence will automatically rewrite the text. Make sure that writing tools support is downloaded to use it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.